how to block someone manually on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block someone manually on Truecaller. First, just open Truecaller and now click on your profile, and here click settings, and then click this one here, block, and scroll down, and here you can block it. Just go to block someone manually and you can block him from phone number, and just type here phone number and then click block, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.